Think mammals are all cuddly? Think again. Here are 10 horrifying and deadly mammals. First up, the hippopotamus. They may look slow, but hippos kill more people than lions. Next, the African buffalo, known as Black Death. These beasts charge without warning. Meet the wolverine, not the superhero. These fierce creatures will fight off bears for food. Polar bears are the largest carnivorous land mammals, viewing humans as prey in the Arctic. Finally, the Bengal tiger. A single one can take down animals 5 times its size. And that's just half of the list. The next 5 are even more terrifying. Stay tuned for part 2, where we reveal the deadliest of them all. Remember, not all mammals are friendly. Nature can be beautiful, but it can also be deadly. Join us next time for more wild revelations.